A career as a Champion sales representative is more than just a career. It's an opportunity to make a difference in our customers' lives and to bring beauty, comfort, and energy efficiency to millions of homes. Champion's been in business since 1953, and we are a trusted name in the home improvement industry.
A Champion sales rep is an in-home selling position. Probably the most important role here at Champion. The person who goes out into the home is a representative of our company and our values. Customers entrust us to come into their homes and provide solutions to their needs and wants. Buying new windows isn't something people do every day. As a Champion sales representative, we're there to provide the necessary information and inform them of what the possibilities are. We have an amazing paid training program. Your first 2 weeks is a classroom setting with our national sales trainer. Your following 2 weeks will be out in the field with management and other senior representatives to make you as excited and as successful as possible. There is no experience necessary. Whether you have a sales background, a construction background, or you have no idea what a screwdriver is, you can be successful. We provide pre-qualified leads to the sales representative. Along with unlimited earning potential, there's both monthly and yearly bonuses, and the top representatives in the country get to take an all-expensive paid trip. A sales representative here at Champion isn't just sitting behind the desk. You're out helping people every day, meeting new people, and providing wonderful solutions with Champion's products. With the tools Champion provides, as long as you have the right attitude, spirit, and drive, you will be successful. Come join our team.
We'd love to talk to you. Apply today at careers.getchampion.com.